Hello guys, we'll be starting off by drawing Buttercup's oval head. It is a bit hard to draw cuts, it's oval like, and if you're drawing by hand like me and not very good at it, you probably won't make it in the first try. And yes, I'll be using the video now. There. Now I'll be drawing Buttercups here. It's very simple, and we'll be adding a slight hair detail just right here. Now removing the line, and after that it will be all done. This is going to be like eye detail, which has to be just where that space depression is. Now drawing the first eye of Buttercup and fixing the face, we'll be removing that false line onto the other eye. Using scale to make sure they are of the same size. Those hairs don't seem right. I'll be correcting that via scale. Next. Yes, that's the way it's meant to be. Now Buttercups here. We'll be using eyes so you can easily follow it, and they'll be fantastic once I'm done with them. Now Buttercup's eyeballs, actual eyeballs, those are going to be circles. So if you're not very good at it, it's going to be difficult for you. Now using the scale, so to make sure the other eye's size is not variable or different. Now here comes Buttercup's eye details. We're going to draw two lines in here, and you have to be very careful. Again, they are very circular like, and it is very difficult for me to draw them. But Buttercup's eyeballs won't be same if they are absent. Now on to Buttercup's smile, and yes, totally done. Now don't worry guys, the hard part is over. Now we'll be drawing her arms, which are very easy. The rest tutorial is very easy, and if your head is done uh, with oval head, hairs via scale, eyes, hairs, smile, then the rest stuff is very easy. You just have to follow my lead, and Buttercup will be there, and it will look just the way you see her on the Cartoon Network. Now Buttercup's dress with her detail. Yeah, they are done. Only one minor finishing touch left, and that's our shoes after I fix the leg. This is going to be very easy now. Our shiny shoes like thing. Or is that not shiny, or that's just those are just socks? I don't know. Now we're going to use the pointer, and I'll be skipping this part. There. Now erasing the pencil drawn lines. Now that it's done, you can add colors or shades via pencil, and I'll be using shade via pencil. And this is going to be very quick. First off, our shoes, and then the rest of the buttercup. You can see how the shades are applied. You can see the rest of the video in which I apply the shades. Any other cartoon character you want a tutorial to make, just comment below.